Alright, so 1999 B5 Audi A4 2.8. So definitely not the tunable engine. Well, tunable, but not favorable. We're gonna do a B8 OEM wheel swap on here. It's already lowered on BC coilovers.
Yep.
That's about it. She's stock. She's a little beauty too.
No.
So we're gonna give you a little time lapse of us doing this. Yeah. No leaks. It's a very leaky engine though. They're known for having pretty much every seal possible known to man in that thing leak. Every seal known to man.
Alright, I'm gonna max these out.
So the car was a little higher than previous. Once we get these wheels on, these guys here, we will lower it a little bit more. Obviously going to need an alignment afterwards. We'll see what's to come with this car. Just a little short video. And this is the we posted a video not too long ago. Kind of rushed it out. The Maxima, Forest King. This used to be his. This is Josh. I know sometimes he cries at night about that car, but she's gone. So.
Yeah, I was watching the video the other day.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, Dad, look at this. Oh, damn, I'm trying to see where I want to max it out.
Alright, so
Look,
I'm going to leave you guys here to it.
What was that? Well, I'm trying to see, you hold on. Because if this pulls up, that means that I'm lowering it, right?
What, you pulling this up? You go up.
Okay, yeah, so I just wanted to make sure.
Yeah.
I'm going to just max this out. You would think they put like coating over this? They put the coating over this bolt.
You got the anti-seize. Make sure you put it on everything.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my gloves on before I start fucking turning silver. I got these from work.
Anti-seize is, you know, the AIDS of the automotive world. Sort of like how glitter is the AIDS of the art world.
I got these from my job. Grease monkeys. A little small, but they work. I like them.
You don't need this at that point. Not yet. We're going to torque these down. I got it set to 110.
110. Should be good.
Torque it down with the Milwaukee, it'll never come off. Finally done. Final product. Wheels are freshly mounted with tires a couple hours ago, so they still have the lubricant on them. We're gonna go take this thing out for a drive, see how they feel. Take some pictures.
Yeah, the rock was flat.
He's such an asshole. Alright. What was that?
They like blend in unless you're really close.
Oh yeah, dude, I love them. The car's dirty as hell though.
Are they wider?
Oh yeah, they're way wider. 10 millimeters on each side. I gotta figure out how to get the wheel liners on the inside to fit properly though. But anyways, back to this. Look at Josh's. Over here, we lowered it even more. Well, he lowered it even more. He had a little gripe with BC coilovers because he couldn't figure it out for a split second. Yeah, nittos. B8, yeah, Audi B8 RS3, RS4 wheels. Little by little, you know?
It looks so different than when I saw it on the highway.
Yeah, it changes the whole car. We also dropped it like 1.5 inches, so he's missing a tire shop. Forgot one of his center caps.
Wait, the tire shop? Or they lost it?
No, they got it. They just never put it in. Right there. It's the Passat guy right there.
I wish I had it right now.
We got the big old work truck over there.
Where all my money goes, right in those toolboxes.
There goes Josh. And my little one. Throwing rocks and shit. Featured with Mr. Duck. What we gotta do next is when he gets money and stops being poor, gotta get a deck spoiler here.
That's what I never got on my Rabbit.
And then obviously these brakes need to go. These are some rusty OEMs. Like, I mean rust every corner you can see on those. And then he needs the wider S4 fenders. Probably gonna do a S4 front end. Or he's debating on the RS4 front end or the S4 front end. I like both. The S4 grill or RS4 grill, whichever one. I think it's the RS4. I told him to get some chrome mirrors on this thing, but not my car, so it looks good. It looks real good. Hey Josh, what exhaust do you want on this thing? What exhaust have you been thinking about?
XS power, I think is what it's called.
SX power?
XX.
XX power, sorry.
XS, my fault.
XS power, jeez.
The one I sent you, the 409 shipped.
$409 shipped, what is it, just catback?
Yeah, 2.5. True dual though.
So, would it be a dual muffler? I mean, a dual tip on the
just
on
like
one
how
side?
it is, like that.
Just like that? Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's how I like them.
Got you.
I think single tip looks funny as hell on that car. Or on just any car that's like that.
Alright guys, so the next video we'll probably be working on this guy's Passat, B7 Passat. Hopefully that goes good. This is the eBay special right here. So things are gonna probably have to be modified to fit properly. There might be some parts missing, who knows? Did you open everything up already and check? Okay, good. The China exclusive.
The eBay parts, I got the eBay second version.
Well, the splitter is 3 parts, so we could just we could fit that thing together.
The splitter is universal fit. Is it? Yeah. Or all right.
Well, it says universal, but like they still make you put in your car.
Universal, but enter your car part. Just so universal, but not that universal. You'll be driving down the highway one day and see an F-150 with the same front lip. All right, guys. We'll catch you next time.